Okay, we're back here. We're going to go through our thinking here. And I'll kind of just show you some of my thoughts. I meant to get rid of a bunch of this stuff here just to clear it all the way, and totally forgot to. Uh-oh. Sorry, everybody. I was going to do this before watching, so we wouldn't have to watch me do this, but I was so excited to get back into our work again. Totally forgot to do this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I just need some space. So Kylan made 30 necklaces and gave 6 away. So for that one, I'm just going to do a quick math mountain. That's in my head. That's what I'm going to imagine. So 30 necklaces, and gave away 6, and so then there's some left. Okay, so that's really my first step. I need to know how many does she have left? Okay, so I'm going to do so I have 30, basically 30 minus 6, and 30 minus 6 equals 24. Okay, so 30 minus 6 equals 24. Then it says she put the rest in 4 boxes with an equal amount in each box. Okay, well, so then now we have to switch this basically to division, and so I can think about it like this. So if I have 4 and I have 24, I got to think, okay, 4 boxes. Well, for this one, I could just then count out my 24 to see what I could get for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Looks like I have 6 in each. So it looks like then she would put 6 in each. So the other way I could have thought about that too, since I knew it was division, I could have done 24 divided by 4 equals something. Or I could have thought 4 times something equals 24, which I know is 6. Because that's what I do over here. Then 24 divided by 4 equals 6 necklaces. Okay. Number 4 then. Libby had 42 vacation pictures and 12 birthday pictures. She put an equal number of pictures in 9 folders. Well, the first thing I need to do is, how many pictures does she have? Does she have? Okay, now I'm just going to do an addition one. So I'm going to do 42 plus 12, because 42 are vacation, 12 are birthday. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so if she has 54 pictures, then she put an equal number of pictures in 9 folders. Well, that is definitely going to be a division problem. So that's where I'm going to go. 54 divided by 9 equals what? Because the other way I can think about it too, so I'm just going to go zoom way out. She puts an equal number in 9 folders. Well, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and she has to split the 54 into those folders. So, and then I just have to think, okay, well, 54 divided by 9. Okay, well, I could take the number 54 and try to count them all into those circles and think, oh boy, that but I might get that kind of wrong. So I could try to do that, or I'm just going to think, okay, well, what's another way I could do 54 divided by 9? Well, I also do know that 54, or I do know, I like to think about it like this: 9 times what equals 54? Well, I do know that 9 times 5 equals 45, and I would just need one more. I would just need one more 9 then, so that actually would be 6. So 54 divided by 9 would just be 6. Okay, last one here then. Mr. Serta bought 9 boxes of tiles. Each box had 8 tiles. He used all but 5. Well, the first thing you need to figure out is how many tiles does he have? Okay. Then so I got to figure out how many boxes he have. Well, so he has 9 boxes of tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in each box there is 8. So I could think about it like this. There's 8 in that one, 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 8 in that one. And so that I could do my count bys for that one then. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. So 72 for that one. So I know that he has 72 tiles. And he used all but 5. Oh, so then I would just do 72. Going to take away 5 of them. And it's going to be 67. So how many did he use? Well, he used 67 tiles. Okay, so you can check all of your thinking. Go back and rewatch any of this if you need to help make sense with any of this. But, yeah, we'll go to the next page, 414. So this is a very similar kind of a page. You're going to see at the top it says write first step questions continued. Write the first step question and answer, then solve the problem. Okay, well, for this time, I'm just going to show just number 6 here, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and I'll read the rest of them, but then I'll have you go and work these yourself. Okay, so a bus has 10 seats that can each hold 2 passengers, and another seat that can hold 3 passengers. How many passengers can be seated on the bus? So it always goes back to what's that first step question. Okay, I got to make sure I get that, my last step. Because my last step is how many can be on the bus altogether. So there's 10 seats that can hold 2 passengers each, and another seat that can hold 3. Well, I need to know first, and this time I'm just going to type it out. How many people can go on 10 seats? Okay, so that's what I have to try to figure out first. So I know my rating is going to move with it. So if there's 10 seats, can hold 2 passengers each. So again, I'm just going to think of a visual for myself. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Okay, so I'm going to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And I put all those together. 10 times 2 is 20. So I know that so 20 people can go in that part. And then if one seat that has 3, okay, well that would be 20 plus 3 would be 23 passengers. So 23 people can go on that bus. Okay. So you can just pause there. You can work through that problem. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to just read these other problems. I'm going to read through these other problems, and then you're going to come back and you're going to do the last ones. So, Dana made 6 fruit baskets. She put 4 apples, 2 pears, and 3 oranges in each basket. How many pieces of fruit did she use in all? Ooh, so she made 6 fruit baskets, but then she put 4 apples, 2 pears, and 3 oranges in every single basket. Ooh, okay, I think I got that one. Cecilia ordered 5 pizzas for a group of friends. Each pizza had 8 slices. All but 3 were eaten. Okay, how many were eaten? Okay, so I think I know what I have to do first. Number 9, Randall had 122 coins in his coin collection. He has 50 coins that are quarters. The rest are nickels. If he fills 9 pages in a coin folder with the same number of nickels, how many nickels are on each page? Ooh, that's a good, tricky one. I cannot wait to do that one. Okay. All right, so I'll stop there, and you can come back and check your answers.